I decided to change the look of my desktop. I really don't like it anymore. As you can see, it's all black. It's not bad, but I decided to record this do-it-yourself with all of you to make it white marble. And I will show you how to turn this to this. By the way, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Lucia Sinatra and I'm a singer-songwriter, performer and vocal coach. But first of all, I am a singer and I love to do the things by myself. It's not unusual to be loved. I actually don't have any knowledge about how to do it. But doesn't matter. Let's start. I just want to tell you that I am Italian and I don't know the name of a lot of things like this one and this one. This is what we need to create my new desktop. Okay, this is the beautiful white marble paper I choose. Well, I have already measured the width and the length that I need and gently resting the paper starting from the end of the shelf closest to me. I let it adhere carefully, proceeding avoiding bubbles that could form, and I used a card to glue it properly. No, not a credit card. I need another piece, so I want to cut it because I don't want to waste any piece of contact paper. I suggest you to use a plastic card like this one because the other one was almost ruined my paper. And here I'm struggling because the line is not matching perfectly. Houston, we have a problem. The really good thing about contact paper is that you can unplug it several times if needed, and in this case I really need it. But the most difficult part with this paper is the rounded shapes. I used a bottle to define the cut with the cutter. While I'm doing the voiceover, I Google it and I find out the name of this tool. Or if you call it in another way, please just comment down below and let me know. I have to say that the job is not bad. And now we must define all the ages, which is very hard, and my husband is doing it for me because I have to record. I suggest you to do also the back side, otherwise will not stick. Also the back. I'll take all the screws off with the screwdriver to line the bottom shelf. Screwdriver, another name learned. Tired but happy. Now I dismantle the furniture door by removing all the screws. And by the way, just forget to put it somewhere in safe, otherwise you will lose it, as I used to do. Look how wonderful it is coming out! I've already made the first drawer. And the second too. But now we have to do the biggest one. But oh, I don't like all these lines that I have formed on the paper. Never surrender, never surrender. I try a solution. I remove the paper, making the adhesive part stick from below. Let's see what will happen. But first of all, let's match the two parts. Very good. Now I have to pull the paper very well into the upper side and take a turn inside the drawer. And let's cut it in the corners. We're almost done, but not yet. Stay till the end because you will see at the end the final result. Last but not least, the most difficult part. I must define the ages, and it's very hard to reach these places. And a lot of rounded shapes, so it's my husband here because I'm still recording. So the first I made it alone, the other one he made it for me, and he actually did it better. Finally, I still have to do this last part. Here I decided to draw a rounded shape following the shape of the tube, and then I had to cut it, then carefully attach it. And 1 century later, I finally finished. Ta-da! We did it! It actually takes 4 hours, around 4 hours to me. Thanks God I had a helping hand. I still have another item from Amazon. These are LED and I am going to work on it too. If you liked my efforts and my moderate glam style, be sure you put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here you have it, so please check it out and let me know what you think. From my studio, my first DIY. Ciao, ciao, ciao! Are you ready? Let's go! I am a singer and actually my website is www.singerindubai.com. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.